Let's get started by finely cutting a yellow onion and softening it up with some butter. We don't need to brown it as it will fry again with the meat. While the onions are softening, we can add a cup of white breadcrumbs to a half cup of milk, an egg and a few teaspoons of white pepper. Now add the onions and then the meat and blend well. We like to hand blend as it renders more of a homemade look, then salt to taste.
Rolling the meatballs is important as there is a difference in the size of Swedish and Italian meatballs. Swedish meatballs are generally a little smaller and about an inch in diameter. They certainly don't have to be perfectly round as we want a homemade feel yet traditional look.
Yes, we want a rustic look for sure. And you can use the same saucepan to make the creamy gravy. Make sure to drop the heat so we don't break the butter. Add a tablespoon of flour and stir vigorously until the flour is well cooked and turning brown. Then we can add beef stock, just enough to get a creamy consistency. And finally we will add a tablespoon of soy sauce and cream to taste. Be careful with salt if the stock is already salted. When we plate the dish, we generally pour the gravy over the meatballs, add boiled potatoes and importantly, only use Swedish Lingonberries as a garnishment. Having said that, we parboiled our potatoes and then fried them. Either way is fine. We hope you enjoyed this super popular Swedish recipe. Subscribe, ring the bell, comment and like our videos. Cheers and see you again soon.